All right, today I have a Nissan Maxima, and I'm going to show you how to operate the heating and cooling system in this vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you find my content helpful in any way? I'll appreciate it. Thanks a lot. All right, so let's go ahead and look over to it. So we're going to look towards the center of the vehicle, and you see this? We're just going to start away from the left and work our way around. Right here is the temperature button. You can go to hot to cold, and if you look up on the display screen, it goes from hot to cold. All right, and then there's an auto button. Okay, if you push it, says auto, it goes to the auto setting and then will automatically adjust. Okay, all right, to turn it off, you just simply, all right, whoa, it's going fast, turn the fan speed down, or either turn the system off completely. I'm just going to turn the fan speed down to turn the auto off. All right, next we have recirculation. That recirculates the air within the vehicle. This is the AC button right here. Okay, air conditioning. If you want air conditioning to be on, turn the temperature to cool and then press the AC button to have air conditioned air. All right. Next is windshield defrost. That's that button right there. That turns on the windshield defrost. Pretty cool. Next, you have taking the air from outside. This button right here takes the air from outside, brings it in. And then the mode right here, it shows where the air is blowing at. You can have the face, feet, and face, feet, windshield, face. All right, pretty cool. And then down here, you have the rear defrost right here. I can press that. The rear defrost comes on. And then the passenger can adjust their temperature as well. All right, pretty cool. And last but not least, there is the seat warmer below. All right, you have the high, low, and then back off. All right, let me know if you have any questions.